Sometimes people will bring their husband after 3 tours in Iraq and tell me that it's the first time that he slept longer than she did since he's been home. I think it's really all about the trees and the setting and the place. It's just a very calm, nice sanctuary. And what do we need more right now in our world than a nice sanctuary? Thank you, Peter, for building this magical place and for sharing it. We're able to let go of so much negativity in our soul. You were right. There's something about these trees that make this place so peaceful and secure. At the time, I think there were 3 million Airbnbs in the world, and people had put this treehouse on their wish list more than any other Airbnb. And I was really moved by that and humbled by it and honored by that. It's not always easy to get a place ready, do the laundry, make sure it's, there's flowers out there, and there's a little anxiety when strangers come to visit you. But when they leave these stories and these books, it makes it all worthwhile. It makes it very meaningful. I wouldn't be doing it otherwise. It really wouldn't be worth it.